Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, Shiba Inu gained around 46 million% in 2021. Is an encore performance in the works? Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Dating back more than a century, no asset class has more consistently made investors richer than the stock market. Even though stocks occasionally underperform bonds, commodities, and housing, none of these asset classes comes close to matching the long-term average annual return of the broader market. But things change drastically if you're just looking at the performance of asset classes over the past couple of years. Since the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic bottom, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market. Whereas the benchmark S&P 500 has pretty much doubled in 2 years, the aggregate value of all digital currencies is up by more than 1,200% to $1.88 trillion. Though crypto's big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, get a lot of credit for this surge in digital currency market value, it's the historic increase from meme coin Shiba Inu, 0.37%, that has really dropped jaws. Shiba Inu's 2021 gains were historic. When 2021 began, Shiba Inu was one of seemingly dozens of Shiba Inu-inspired coins looking to capitalize on the craze that pushed Dogecoin significantly higher. But in less than 10 months, these same tokens would rocket as high as 8,841. Visually, it might be difficult to tell the difference between these two tiny numbers, but between January 1st and October 27th of 2021, Shiba Inu ate up 6 zeros after its decimal point and delivered a peak intra-year gain of around 121 million%. In other words, an investment of $1 at midnight on January 1, 2021 could have made a patient, lucky investor a millionaire. When the curtain closed on 2021, SHIB tokens gained in the neighborhood of 46 million%. It's a far cry from 121 million%, but it's likely the biggest single-year gain we may ever witness from an investment perspective. As I've previously pointed out, Shiba Inu's historic run was primarily a function of increased visibility in crypto market dynamics. In terms of the former, SHIB benefited immensely from being listed on numerous new exchanges last year. Additionally, the launch of decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021 helped to improve liquidity and allowed holders to stake their coins. Since October, the median hold period of SHIB on crypto exchange Coinbase has soared from 6 days to 101 days. As for crypto market dynamics, investors should understand that it's a lot easier to purchase derivatives, e.g., put options, on, or short sell, a publicly traded stock than it is to bet against a high-flying but lesser-known digital currency. With minimal avenues to bet against cryptocurrencies not named Bitcoin, an inherent buy bias helped Shiba Inu. Can Shiba Inu hit $1 by mid-decade? With Shiba Inu absolutely crushing it last year, its holders and social media supporters are hoping for an encore performance. In fact, some even believe it could eventually make a run to $1 per token. The big question is, can Shiba Inu reach $1, perhaps by the midpoint of the decade? Before I dive into my view, let's examine the multiple catalysts that would be needed to push SHIB from microscopic fractions of a penny to parity with the US dollar by 2025. To begin with, the public launch of Layer 2 blockchain solution Shibarium needs to occur sooner than later and go off without a hitch. The purpose of Shibarium is to significantly drive down transaction fees involving SHIB tokens. Pushing fees lower will not only make SHIB a more attractive payment option for merchants, but it's also the key step to fueling blockchain-based gaming. At the moment, Shibarium is being tested privately. The next core catalyst is the development and launch of non-fungible token, NFT-based gaming. Although we've already witnessed a handful of blockchain-based games generating significant revenue, Shiba Inu can't launch gaming until Shibarium can be trusted to substantially bring down transaction fees. Once Shibarium is publicly launched, NFT marketplaces can thrive. To add to this point, Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse needs to be a hit. The metaverse is viewed as the next iteration of the internet, which will allow connected users to interact with each other and their surroundings in 3D virtual worlds. Developers recently announced their intention to sell digital plots of land, known as Shiba Lands, in Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse. Once again, this is all dependent on slashing transaction fees. Finally, there would need to be some significant coin burn. That recovery now looks to be cut short, however, as bulls have been unable to refrain from taking profit, inadvertently triggering a fade to the downside that only made even more bulls sell their holdings for fear of a complete collapse of the trade. Bear in mind that the current sentiment in global markets is still very jittery, where a collapse is possible at any moment on the back of comments from central bankers. Shib price will need to drop towards 965 to find support. In such a scenario, the relative strength index will have cooled down after rising too sharply too quickly. Expect 1209 in the 55-day SMA to be broken at the next attempt, opening up a vast area where Shib price can rally onwards to $0.001708 and make a whopping 55% profit in that move. The big risk with this fade is that support at 965 will not hold at all. The RSI could drop below 50 on course towards the oversold level, dragging the price action along with it. That could result in a test of the lows of 2022 and even new lows towards 655, adding another 40% of losses to the count. Interest in Shib on Google fades as meme coin's popularity wanes after emerging among the top meme cryptocurrencies over the past year. Shiba Inu's fortunes are dwindling amid reduced interest in the token as it continues to battle massive price correction. Although the general market is trading in the red zone, interest in Shib is currently contrasting with 2021's trajectory. Data compiled by Finbold indicates that over the last 12 months, Google search queries entailing the keyword, "buy Shib," recorded a drop of 100% from a popularity score of 8 in 2021 to an all-time low of 0 as of June 2022. The queries peaked towards the end of October 2021, at the height of the crypto bull run, with a popularity score of 100. Notably, despite the fading global interest, some countries are still showing interest in the token, with US investors leading with a peak popularity score of 100, followed by Cyprus at 81. Canada, Singapore and Australia also ranked top, scoring 75, 71 and 64, respectively. Interest in meme coins fading. The fading interest in Shib aligns with the token's drop in value as cryptocurrencies continue to record a massive sell-off. Notably, Shib recorded significant gains in 2021 to emerge among the best-performing cryptocurrencies. However, the token has taken a hit with current price movement partly contributed to the lower interest in meme coins. Overall, the value of Shib has plunged by over 70% in 2022, and most holders of the assets are currently in losses. Shib investors in losses. Glimpses of the decline in hype around the meme coin emerged in early June this year after Shib lost over 20,000 users in under a week. Following the token's rise in 2021, one of the criticisms has centered around lack of utility, with critics noting that Shib's future will be short-lived. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.